Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how to make mini puff stitches. In my patterns I use the abbreviations 2 puff and 3 puff to let you know how many half double crochets you're working together in the next stitch. So a 2 puff will be like working 2 half double crochets together in that next stitch. So let's do that. Yarn over, insert, pull up a loop. Now when you're pulling up a loop, you want to make sure it pulls up to the same height as the rest of the loops so you can get your hook back through. So that's our first one. We'll yarn over, insert, and pull up a loop again. And that's 2. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 loops on the hook. We'll yarn over and pull through all loops on the hook. And then we'll make a single crochet in that next stitch, and that makes this puff stitch pop to the front. If it doesn't come out to the front, just push it out that way. So let's do a 3 puff, which will be like working 3 half double crochets together in the next stitch. So we yarn over, insert in the next stitch, pull up a loop, that's 1, yarn over, insert, pull up a loop, that's 2, yarn over, insert, pull up a loop, and that's 3. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 loops on the hook. We'll yarn over and pull through all of those loops. Make the stitch in the following stitch and pop it out to the front. So that's how you make mini puff stitches, a 2 puff or a 3 puff. I hope you found this helpful.